If you're still out here trying to pick a niche or figure out which business model to start in 2025, well, you're thinking about it all wrong. Because the smart players, well, they're not choosing, they're stacking. They're using high ticket closing to get fast cash in through the door. Then they're using affiliate marketing to scale up without all the headaches. And when you combine the two the right way, that's how you hit 10k months without wasting the next 6 years trying every shiny new method online. You don't need an audience, you don't need a brand, and you don't need to run paid ads. This is the same play that I would run if I was starting again from scratch today. It works, and it works fast. So if you're done guessing, then hit the like button, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to walk you through the whole system. And if you stick around till the end, you'll leave with a plan that actually works. Most people trying to build online income in 2025 are failing for one simple reason. They're putting all of their chips on a single model and expecting it to do everything for them. If they go all in on high ticket closing, sure, the money comes in fast, but it's exhausting. And the moment you stop, the money stops coming in. If they go all in on affiliate marketing, it's scalable, sure, but it can be much slower to build up to the sort of income level that comes from high ticket closing. Either way, they burn out or give up, or worse, they keep switching strategies every 2 weeks, hoping that this time something just clicks. But what they're missing is a system that gets cash in the door now and stacks long-term income every day that they show up. And for that system to work, you need to build 2 income streams that fuel each other. The best part is, you don't need 1 million followers or a viral TikTok video to make any of this work. You just need a hybrid system that pays you now and compounds later. Okay, so let me break down the exact strategy smart creators are using to hit 10k plus months in 2025. It's called the stack method, and it works because each level feeds the next. Okay, so level 1. This is your high ticket cash flow. This is where the money hits fast. You close 2k to 10k offers straight from either DMs or short calls. You don't need a personal brand and you don't need to run paid ads. You just need the right script, the right questions, and the right frame. So the high ticket income is your cash engine. Then we have level 2. This is your scalable affiliate machine. This is where you build something that pays you daily, even when you're not selling. You use content to drive traffic into your funnel. Then your funnel builds up your email list, and your list buys your affiliate products on autopilot. The beauty of this model is that it compounds. The longer you do it, the more it builds up and scales. Your high ticket sales give you fast cash, and your affiliate earnings give you passive income and scalability. You can use your high ticket wins to fund better tools, sharper content, and paid traffic. And then all of a sudden, you're no longer hustling to stay afloat. You're scaling up like a pro. This is the model that's printing cash for closers and creators right now. And if you stack it right, it doesn't take you long to start hitting those 10k months on repeat. Okay, let me show you how simple this gets when you run it right. 1 hour in the morning. This is your revenue time. You need to be in the DMs, booking calls, or on the phone or on Zoom calls, closing them. You don't need to spend 8 hours a day doing just one focused hour of high leverage moves. That's all. Next hour at midday, this is where you build your back end. You create and drop content, you polish and tweak your funnel, and you write the emails that are gonna sell while you're sleeping. This is where the system starts to compound. And finally, 30 minutes in the evening. This is where you sharpen the blade. You review your calls, you go over the objections that you were hit with. You're not looking to improve everything all at once. Just aim to get 1% deadlier every single day, because your efforts will compound. So that's 2.5 hours a day to build a 6-figure income machine. It's really that simple. You just need to stick at it and don't give up. You need controlled execution, stacked day after day. If you stick to this, then in 90 days, you won't recognize your bank account or yourself. Okay, here's something most people miss, and that's because no one really teaches it. High ticket closing is time for money. You get on a call, you close, you get paid fast. It's fast cash, high leverage, but it's still very time bound. Affiliate marketing is compounding. You build it once and it pays you over and over again while you sleep, and while you eat, and while you're on calls closing the next 10k deal. So what's the play? Well, you close to survive and you scale to escape. The closing pulls you out of panic mode, and the affiliate funnel builds your freedom. And when you stack them, well, that's when you hit real velocity. My first 10k month online came from closing, but my first 10k week, well, that came from when I combined the both. That's the shift. Stop choosing one or the other and start stacking both of them, because time is decaying, but your content, your email list, and your funnel, well, they continue to grow while you sleep. Right, now let's bring it all together with the 3-funnel stack. This is how you turn everything into a solid business that's going to stand the test of time. Funnel 1, your high ticket closing. This is your fast action funnel. Someone drops a comment or replies to a post, you send them a short script, they hit the funnel, book a call, and you close the deal. It's very simple. Just DM to call to close. Then funnel 2, this is your affiliate marketing. This is your nurture funnel. They download a freebie, they land on your list, and now your content and your emails do the selling for you. It's slower, but it stacks brilliantly. While you're on Zoom closing high ticket deals, your funnel is sending affiliate commissions directly into your Stripe account. Then your final funnel is your future offer. This is where it gets exciting, because once you've closed some deals and built an audience, you can launch your own coaching or digital products, or even a mentorship offer. At this point, you're no longer just selling other people's stuff. You're building your own brand. One funnel closes people today, one funnel builds your tomorrow, and one funnel creates a legacy. You don't need a personal brand to get started, and you don't need a big team. You just need the right systems stacked in the right order. This is how you build a 10k a month business in 2025 online without burning out. Okay, I have a question for you. What does your life actually look like when you're doing 10k months? You wake up knowing you've got booked calls with people already pre-sold by your funnel. You get on Zoom, you control the frame, and you close like a killer. Then you check your emails and see affiliate commissions that were stacking up while you slept. No more living paycheck to paycheck, just cash flow and clarity, because now you're in control. You're not scrambling anymore, you're not bouncing between offers or trends or TikToks. You're a closer, a strategist, and a real player. And the difference between those who get there and those who don't is execution. 90 days from now, you can still be watching videos like this one, or you can be the one making sales. It's your move. Okay, now if you've been paying attention, you already know it's not about choosing just one path. It's about stacking both and doing it right. So if you want to start closing 5k to 10k deals fast, then download my free high ticket closer kit to get the exact script, funnel and call framework that got me my first 10k deal online in under 30 days. And while you're closing those sales, you want to start stacking. So also download the free affiliate marketing pack. This is the exact funnel system I use to turn content into commissions on autopilot. Together, you get a system where fast cash meets scalable income. That's the game, that's the stack, and that's how you hit 10k a month online and never look back. So don't just sit on it, because the longer you wait, the longer you stay stuck. Click the links, take action now, and start building your 10k a month system starting today. Also, lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching.